Scrum project management in Asana helps teams efficiently manage work in agile sprints. Here's how to implement Scrum in Asana. Create a Scrum project. Start by creating a new project in Asana. Choose Board View to set up columns representing different stages of the Scrum workflow. Add tasks as user stories. Each task in your project represents a user story or feature to be completed during the sprint. Break down these tasks into actionable pieces of work. Define sprints. Create a section or list for each sprint. Assign tasks to the appropriate sprint section and give them specific due dates within the sprint timeline. Daily stand-ups. Use Asana's task comments to document daily updates or progress for each task. Team members can add comments or mark tasks as in progress or completed. Track and review. Use Board View to visually track the progress of each sprint. Move tasks from backlog to in progress and then to completed. At the end of the sprint, hold a sprint review meeting to assess completed tasks and discuss any improvements.